Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Guys, today is Friday, so I say why not make something quick, delicious, and easy, sis? So I decided we're gonna make some smash burgers. This is an 80-20 mix that I got from Kroger. Already seasoned it, girl. I use the same seasoning. If you watch my channel, I'll use the same old seasonings. Every now and again, I'll step outside, my little box, but it's always the same old things. And I'll put that on the screen for you guys. But I did get some Sargento Smokehouse Cheddar. I did get Sesame extra large rolls. We went on and got those white onions all thinly sliced. We have the mayo, ketchup, mustard, those things, because I'm going to make my own sauce to go on these burgers. And then at Kroger, your girl saw some gourmet variety butter. So there's garlic herb, roasted red bell pepper, and gorgonzola chive, girl. And I'm like, ooh, sis is intrigued. So I think I'm going to put some of those on the grill with this bacon fat over here, you feel me? Speaking of bacon, here's the pig right here. There's the pickles. That's some romaine lettuce I chopped up. That's all your girl had. And here's some tomatoes with some black pepper on it, sis. Because I'm trying to be fancy. Alright, guys, before we start, I already cleaned the griddle, sis. She cleaned the griddle, and then I sprayed it with some canola oil, got my paper towel, and got her all nice and ready, sis. We have this griddle on 250. So what we're going to do right now, before we even start these burgers, we're going to, here are these sesame seed buns right here, okay? Let's have a look in the inside. And what I'm gonna do is take some, I'm gonna get the Duke's mayonnaise and put thin little layer on there, and we're gonna toast. We're gonna toast with the mayo, sis. With the mayo, like so. So we're gonna toast them, you feel me? We're gonna toast them, sis, till they golden brown. Alright, guys, we're making the hamburger sauce. So I have some mayo and mustard in here already. We're not going to make a lot either. We have the ketchup we're going to add in. Just a little bit. Add some Sweet Baby Ray's. A little bit. And I'm going to go in with some seasonings I got. This is paprika, garlic powder, a little salt, black pepper, and parsley. And I'm putting all that in there. And this is going to go on the burger, sis. So go on the burgers. And that's what we got. Let's get these buns off of this griddle, girl. Alright, guys, the buns are done. Let's flip them. Flip, 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 flip. They smell good too. It smells so good. So we're gonna go ahead on and put those. I'm actually gonna keep them just like that so they can stay warm. And then we're gonna go right into these smash burgers, sis. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go in with my bacon fat. Because honey, this is just flavor, 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 flavor. I'm trying to tell y'all. That's all I'm trying to tell you. It's just flavor. And I've decided to use the garlic and herb compound butter. So we're gonna put a dab of her on there and see what she gonna do. Here's that good old 80-20, okay? We're not gonna put too many because again, we have to smash said burgers. So I'm gonna put them out like in a weird pattern on the griddle. I'm not gonna touch them. I'm gonna let that bottom part get a crust. Then I'm gonna smash them down and add the onions on top. Flip said smash burgers. And then we're gonna add the cheese and get them assembled, girl. Cause girl, we hungry. It's taking too long. So guys, we have to switch to this spatula because my other spatula, the meat is going through the grooves of it. And girl, we ain't got time for that. We want it smashed. We don't want to be trying to take the meat out the grooves. So thank goodness your girl had this. Alright guys, I had to do a quick wipe down. Those sides of the burgers have gotten golden. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put onions on them. We're going to take and flip it with the onion on the other side. Now, let me tell y'all guys, this is not a neat meal. Like, there's oil popping everywhere, girl, but it's going to be worth it, sis. And what we're going to let these do is we're going to let them keep cooking. I have the griddle on 325 because I want them to get crispy, girl. Now, I wouldn't have minded them being a little bit thinner, but we good. We're going to do it just like that. We good. We're going to put our smokehouse cheddar on it. We got the good cheese for the smashburger, honey. We didn't do the processed cheese. We got the good cheese. Alright guys, we are about to assemble. Here are our toasted buns. We're going to go ahead and put our sauce on there. Because you know, we trying to be fancy, sis. Y'all, the sauce is banging. Pickle, you know, if you want to. I'll add a little bit more on there. We're gonna do one with lettuce and tomato, and we're gonna do one without, sis. Like so. Put that burger on there like so. We're gonna add a little bit more sauce. And we're gonna add her on. Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Thank you, Lord. We're gonna give it some more, because you know, I'm just trying to be dainty, honey, but we gotta get it going. We gotta get it going, girl. My family likes a lot of sauce. We got some regular pickles. This is mine here. So it's gonna be pickles for me, sauce pickles, onion, you feel me? Bacon, pepper bacon. Not just any old bacon, pepper bacon. We gonna put her on there. We gonna add some more siggity sauce. You know, cause I can. And that's it. All right, guys. Let me give y'all the bird's eye view. All right, guys. This is it. We have the one over here with the bacon, the sauce, the pickles, the onion, all the goodness, girl. The smokehouse cheddar cheese. Then we have this one over here with the lettuce and tomato and the pickle and the sauce. And y'all know what it means. Y'all know what this means. It's time for the taste test, and that's period. Sorry about the lighting, guys.
Real good. Nice and juicy.
Alright, guys. I have more burgers to fry. They're on the griddle now. The kids in the back gaming and doing their thing. So I'm trying to wrap this up because I'm getting tired. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. And watching me do my interpretation of smash burgers.
Thank you.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And your girl gonna see you in the next one. Bye.